Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build cultural understanding with Mango languages, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by introducing the concept of cultural understanding. Explain the importance of cultural understanding in today's global society. Introduce Mango languages as a resource for building cultural understanding. Discuss the first step, creating an account on Mango languages. Guide viewers to visit the official website or download the mobile app. Show how to select their language of interest from the extensive list available. Explain the benefits of starting with a culture overview before diving into the language lessons. Highlight the importance of engaging with the cultural notes included in the lessons. Encourage viewers to practice pronunciation through listening and repeating exercises. Mention the interactive features that allow users to learn through real-life conversations. Emphasize the value of using the Cultural Insights section to deepen knowledge of the chosen culture. Encourage viewers to follow along with the suggested learning path for structured progress. Discuss setting achievable goals, such as completing a certain number of lessons each week. Inform them about tracking their progress through custom reports available on the platform. Talk about the importance of interacting with native speakers through community features. Suggest joining online forums or social media groups to further enhance cultural exchange. Advise viewers to immerse themselves in the language through movies, music, and books relevant to the culture. Remind them to keep a journal of new cultural insights and language skills gathered through the learning process. Conclude by encouraging them to be patient and consistent in their journey to build cultural understanding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.